Welcome to today's lesson on civil court procedure. In this session, we'll explore the stages of a case from the issue of summons to the set-down for trial, and the documents that ensure each step follows proper legal procedure. The first stage in the civil court process is the issue of summons. The plaintiff issues a summons, a legal document that formally begins the lawsuit. It includes details of the claim, the parties involved, and the court where the case will be heard. Document summons, a document filed by the plaintiff to notify the defendant of the legal action and its purpose. Once the summons is issued, it must be served on the defendant. This involves delivering the summons to the defendant personally or by other authorized means to notify them of the lawsuit and the time frame to respond. Document proof of service, a document confirming that the summons was served on the defendant, which is necessary to proceed with the case. After service of summons, the defendant has a specified period to respond. If they intend to contest the claim, they file a notice of intention to defend. This document informs the court and plaintiff that the defendant intends to challenge the case. Document notice of intention to defend, a formal response indicating the defendant's intention to contest the claim. Following the notice of intention to defend, the pleading stage begins, where both parties exchange written documents outlining their claims and defenses. The plaintiff will file a particulars of claim, and the defendant will file a notice of defense and possibly a counterclaim. Documents. Particulars of claim, a detailed document outlining the plaintiff's case. Notice of defense, the defendant's response to the plaintiff's claim. Counterclaim, if applicable, the defendant's claim against the plaintiff. After pleadings, both parties are required to exchange relevant documents that support their claims and defenses. This ensures that both parties have access to the evidence before the trial. Document list of documents. A document detailing all relevant documents each party intends to use during the trial. Before the trial, the parties may attend a pre-trial conference with the judge to discuss procedural issues, possible settlement, and clarify the issues in dispute. The judge may issue directions on the conduct of the trial. Document, pre-trial minute, a summary document that records the issues to be addressed at trial. The final step before the trial is the set-down for trial, where the parties agree on a date for the trial to be heard. The case is officially scheduled and all preparations are made. Document, notice of set-down, a formal notice indicating the date on which the case will be heard in court. In summary, the civil court process is a structured sequence: issue of summons, service, defendant's plea, pleadings, discovery, pre-trial conference, and set-down for trial. At each stage, specific documents ensure that the case progresses in line with legal rules and principles of fair procedure,